Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you an update on how I do my hair. What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. And today you guys have been asking for me and Blake to do an updated hair tutorial. So today I'm going to show you the products I use right now and how I do my hair. So basically I just got out of the shower. I have a light towel dry in there. And then I'm gonna start off with a primer. So what a primer does is basically protects your hair from blow drying and kind of gives you a little pre-styling with not a lot of weight in it. So if you want something high volume, low weight with still some movement in it, I do recommend trying a primer. This one is from Victory Barber Company. It's really, really good and I've been loving it. So I think you've seen it in a couple of our other videos. So basically just give that kind of like a mist around your hair. And then what you want to do is take a brush or a comb and your blow dryer. So I have this brush right here, simple wire brush. I like it because it kind of helps me pull my hair up versus a comb which only has one row, where this has multiple rows. And then have a blow dryer on a medium heat setting, high fan though. And then what you want to do is blow dry in the direction you want to go. So if you want your hair to fall down, blow dry down. If you want your hair to go up, blow dry up. And then I'm going to use the brush to pull up and get my hair in the position that I want it before I apply any extra product. So here we go. It's going to be loud, so I won't be talking much during this, but you can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Now see, as you can see, that's just with the primer and the blow dryer, and it already looks pretty freaking good. But my hair is still a little wet back here, so I'm gonna touch that up. All right, and now before I apply the last bit of product, I'm going to blow dry on the cool setting just to kind of lock in the volume and cool everything down real quick. So to finish off the look and lock everything in, I've been using this clay pomade from First Hand. Let's see if I can focus on that. And maybe I will get a close-up of it, but it's from First Hand. It's kind of like a mix of a clay and a pomade, and it's super light, which I love, and it gets me the hold that I need that's not too strong and still a little movable. Now guys, you don't need a lot. Like, this is a small dollop, and what I like about this is when you put it in your hand and you rub it in, you don't get all these white streaks like you normally do with some clays and pomades. It's literally clear, which is awesome. And then you want to start in the back and kind of just move it around where you want your hair to be, and then just kind of come to the front, because the highest part is where you want the least amount of product because you don't want to weigh it down. So make sure you get the sides, because you don't want your sides of your hair to be a different texture than the rest of your head. So as you can see, that is my hairstyle. And honestly guys, that's pretty much all I do most days. And if I'm going to do like a photo shoot or I need something with a little extra hold, I do use this texture spray from Victory Crown Barber Co. So if you guys have seen like the texture powders where people are sprinkling everything on their hair and then just kind of wiggling it around to get that like PC look, it is really nice. It kind of mats everything out, but the powder kind of gets everywhere and it looks like you have dandruff if you get it on your shirt or you're wearing a shirt when you try it on. So this spray kind of knocks all that out and gives you the same results in a spray form. So let's unlock that and then just kind of So yes guys, that is my hairstyle. I do need a little bit of a haircut right now. My sides are getting a little long, but I do want to say guys, the most important thing is to get a good haircut to have a good hairstyle, because if you're using your product to cover up a bad haircut, you're going to end up weighing everything down and it's going to look very chunky and probably get very sticky in your hair very quick. But if you have a good haircut and a good barber, you're going to need a lot less product and you're going to save a lot more money even if you spend a little bit more on a good haircut. So hopefully that was helpful guys. This whole video took me 8 minutes and 12 seconds to film from start to finish. So if you say you don't have enough time to do your hair in the morning, I bet you have 10 minutes to do your hair in the morning. This is very simple. Just make sure you have a blow dryer, a brush, and some product that works for you and a good haircut. And that pretty much wraps up the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. If you haven't followed us on Instagram over at gentslounge, give us a follow over there. And if you want to see Blake's tutorial, I'll have a link to that down below so you can check that out. Cheers guys.